Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of emulated on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Facebook app and you can click here. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.